So what you do is that first of all, open a design. You can just take a screenshot of that part. Okay. So I'm going to take a screenshot of the text I want to edit. Okay. So that's how I do it. Then I save it. Okay. Good. So now with this one, now I'm going to open the AI. I can use any of the AI platforms like Gemini or ChatGPT or any of them to edit this 3D text. So let's say I'm taking a screenshot. I want to edit it with, let's say, Gemini. So when the Gemini loads, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the image to Gemini and then ask it to edit the text for me. Okay. After that, I'm going to remove the background with photo room. So basically, that's the process. Take a screenshot of that 3D text you want to edit, and then upload that 3D text image to. So I'm going to upload the image here. So there's the prompt you use: edit text in image to, let's say, you put it in a quote. You want to edit it so that it becomes prophetic or night. You want it to rather be prophetic or night. Okay, good. Instead of all night service, then you come and say no change in text style. Then you say put on a plain black BG. BG stands for background. Edit text in image to prophetic or night. I didn't type it well over here. No change in text style. Put on a plain black BG. Then I submit this to Gemini. So Gemini is going to generate a newer image for me, whereby it's going to edit that text for me. So here you see that it didn't come out well like I wanted it to. So I think it got confused at a point. So you can always come here and edit the text. Edit text in image to prophetic or night. No change in text style. In text style. Let me just make it text style. Put on a plain black. Let me just change the wording. Sometimes AI really understand what you want to do, but then it gets it wrong the first time it makes an attempt. So you have to redo it again for it to really understand what you want to do. Okay. It's still not getting it. It still wants to give me a prophetic service. It's worrying me. Gemini is worrying me, so I'll do it with ChatGPT. So if you realize that Gemini was not giving you the results you needed, you can switch to ChatGPT. Okay. So you see that Gemini or ChatGPT. Meta AI wouldn't give you the response you need. Edit text in image to prophetic or night. I have to put it in quotes, okay? No change in text style. Put on a plain black BG. I'll put it in either single or double quotes. Okay, so what I people realize is that sometimes GPT even does a better job than Gemini. Gemini sometimes it gets it wrong, but GPT might give you the result you need on one shot. Great. So on one shot, GPT got it. Okay. Gemini doesn't always get it. So with this, I'm going to remove the background. So I'm going to download the image, or let me in fact also copy it. Then you go to this website, Photo Room, remove BG. Okay, it's an instant background remover for free. You don't pay anything. So they're saying I should drop my photo here. I wish I could paste. Oh, I wish I could paste. Okay, so it's just here. So I paste it. Let me stay here. I don't want to use any app. So when I paste it, it's going to remove the background for me. And then when it's able to remove the background for me, I import it into my Canva or Photoshop and then do whatever I want to do with it. Okay, so that's how we do it. Good. So the background has been removed. So you're going to just tap on download and then it downloads.